With the Operation Sindhu recently, we have evacuated numerous students from Iran who were pursuing their medical degrees in Iran. Now, why so many students have been going to Iran for higher education is a big question, specifically in the field of medical education. If we look on to the NEET examination, 22 to 24 lakh students appear for NEET examination with around 1 lakh seats, of which 50% fall in the government category and the remaining are in private, where the fees are soaring high with crores of rupees being asked, where a normal middle class cannot afford it. In light of that, students seeks for alternative options and try to approach to foreign nations where they relatively find the educational cost relatively less. So economic factor is of course one of the factors. The second factors in some areas pertain to regional affinity or cultural ties with those regions. If we specifically look on to Iran, most of the students go to Tel Aviv Medical Sciences. Then you have the Shahid Beheshti Institute, and these institutes actually offer various courses for medical education. However, the National Medical Council has cited that the number of students appearing for the FMGE examination have increased significantly. In 2022, there were somewhere around 52,000 students appearing, which in 2024 accounted for nearly 79,000 students appearing for FMGE examination, which in itself is an indicator that the students are preferring foreign nations to pursue their medical degrees. But on the other hand, if we talk about the pass rate for FMGE, that has reduced to historically low, somewhere at around 24% in 2024, and that is despite of the fact that the FMGE course is a paper which is relatively basic, based on the basics of medical sciences that students have been reading throughout their course programs. In light of bringing in more transparency, NMC has come up with few strict guidelines. This was in light of the Philippines students who were pursuing their medical degree in Philippines, where the course was only 48 months long. So NMC gave the guidelines that the course should be nearly 54 months long with minimum 1 year of internship, and these are some of the mandated guidelines from a recognized university. Along with that, they also gave in a clause that it is mandatory that students, once complete their degree, should be allowed to practice in the host country in which they have completed their medical education. So in many places what happens is there are two paths for getting a degree. One is where the local doctors and local students attain their degree. The second path is where the foreign students are actually lured to the courses and being offered courses. So this is basically for as an investment for their country, but these foreign doctors who are enrolled in a separate batch actually are not allowed to practice in the local country or the host country in which they have attained the degree. So to maintain the transparency and the proper basics of medical sciences, it has been guided by NMC that if a student attains a degree from a foreign university, wants to clear FMGE examination, must ensure that they are eligible to actually work in the host country from which they are getting the foreign education. So those are some of the important pointers that we have come across, but it is more important to understand that revamping the education system within the nation is highly important at this point, because if the students are attaining a decent rank and not getting a college in India because of the financial reasons and have to move out, this would definitely have a greater impact in longer term. So that was for today. Of course, we'll be discussing many interesting sessions like these and so on for future. In case students are preparing for NEET, UG, PG, FMG or other examinations, do follow the link below. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.